Due to the economic situation and industrial structure of different regions in China, the actual wages in different regions may be quite different. For example, the salary of an after-sales commissioning technician in Sichuan province may be around 5,000 RMB per month. That's about $700, and it may be 10,000 RMB in Guangdong province. That's about $1,400 or more. Hello, this is Eve's Tech. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share what's the salary situation of robotic automation industry in China. There are mainly two types of company in the robotic industry. One is the robot manufacturing factory, which is a robot factory like Kuja Robot and is responsible for the development and manufacturing of standard robot models. Another type is robot integrators, which are responsible for implementing robot automation projects in final user factories, including providing solutions, preparing necessary equipment, installing and commissioning in the factory, delivering products at a turnkey level, training customers for daily use, after-sale maintenance, etc. From this point of view, the largest proportion of practitioners in the robotic industry is actually robot integration companies. The integrator is particularly important for the success or failure of a project. An excellent robot integrator can well meet the needs of customers and successfully deliver the equipment. And some integrators with weaker capabilities may fail the project, such as failing to meet the customer's original production capacity requirements, product quality requirements, or the mechanical structure of the design cannot achieve the desired effect. In the process of factory intelligence development, industrial robots are a relatively prominent component, but it is by no means only relying on industrial robots to achieve intelligent automation. In fact, many automated and intelligent projects do not even require robots and are directly driven by powerful technical capabilities of automation integration companies. It can be realized by a special machine made by an integrator. The robot is essentially a modular part of the automation equipment, just like its appearance. It's a moving structure like an arm. It's just a component. Therefore, if the final user factory does not have the ability to integrate robots, even if it buys a robot, it cannot use the robot. It must need integration capabilities, including electrical technical capabilities, mechanical design capabilities, etc. Absolutely, only a robot cannot complete industrial robot workstations or production lines. It also needs many other equipment and designs. Therefore, the robot integrator, or you can say automation implementation company, is a super important and indispensable part in the industrial robot industry. They are of key importance for automation projects. The standard industrial robots allow automation integrators to save a lot of energy when designing the overall automation solution. Industrial robots can be used modularly to achieve certain functions. It is not necessary to design each automation mechanical structure by their own, and in this way, it can also save a lot of automation costs. Having said so many robot industry background, let's talk about today's topic, the personal income of the industrial robot industry in China. These are approximate average data. Salary for technical personnel of industrial robot manufacturers. Industrial Robot System Research and Development Engineer, the monthly salary is roughly 10,000 to 30,000 RMB. That is about 1,400 to 4,300 US dollars per month. Responsible for control system software development, some talents can consider through technology ability investment to get equity of the company. Industrial Robot Body Research and Development Engineer, monthly salary is about 12,000 to 15,000 RMB. That is about 1,700 to 2,200 US dollars. responsible for development of the robot body structure and designing new or optimized industrial robots. Industrial robot body commissioning engineer monthly salary is 6,000 to 8,000 RMB. That is about 850 to 1,200 US dollars, mainly responsible for robot commissioning after robot production. Industrial robot sales engineer. The basic salary is generally 8,000 to 10,000 RMB. That is 1,200 to 1,500 US dollars, and plus commission. How much they can earn depends entirely on product capabilities and personal sales capabilities. Different companies have different commission policies. Salary for industrial robot integration companies. Industrial robot application engineer, the monthly salary is about 12,000 RMB. That is about 1,700 US dollars, and some with excellent capability can reach 20,000 RMB. That is about 2,900 US dollars, and they are responsible to complete the installation, commissioning, and customer training on client side. Industrial robot mechanical design engineer, monthly salary is about 7,000 to 12,000 RMB. That is about 1,000 to 1,700 US dollars. Some powerful talents can reach about 30,000 RMB. That is about 4,300 US dollars, responsible for mechanical solution design of the automation project. Automation integration sales engineer. The basic salary is generally 4,000 to 8,000 RMB per month. That is about 600 to 1,200 US dollars, and plus commission. Due to the economic situation and industrial structure of different regions in China, the actual wages in different regions may be quite different. For example, the salary of an after-sales commissioning technician in Sichuan province may be around 5,000 RMB per month. That's about 700 US dollars, and it may be 10,000 RMB in Guangdong province. That's about 1,400 US dollars or more. At present, in Guangdong province, the distribution of automation manufacturing is far greater than that in Sichuan province. Of course, living cost in Guangdong is also much higher than that in Sichuan. For example, look at the shocking house price here. Sichuan's first-level capital city, Chengdu, the average house price of most expensive zone is 19,994 RMB per square meters. That is about 2,800 US dollars per square meters. Chengdu's population is about 7.4 million. Guangdong's first-level city, Shenzhen, the average house price of most expensive zone is 112,866 RMB per square meters. That is about 16,100 US dollars per square meters. Shenzhen's population is about 12.5 million. Actually, a lot of factories are moving to less costly cities like Chengdu due to living cost, labor cost, etc. The salary in robotic industry in China is comparatively larger than normal working sectors, while they are actually tough job. For example, the sales engineers in this industry, it's needed to spend most of the time to travel outside to visit clients. They have less time to accompany their families. So much for this video. See you in other videos. We, EVS, offer industrial robots and other robotic automation-related devices, services. We build up a convenient and reliable one-stop purchasing platform for industrial robotic automation-related equipment. For service center distributors globally, if you are a final user factory customer, welcome to contact us for robotic automation support. Our principle: offer reliable automation products, services, and bring value to clients. This channel is mainly sharing knowledge and stories on robotic automation. If you like our video, please press like, subscribe, share, and turn on the little bell.